All right, so what I'm going to do is show you how to submit your artwork as an assignment. It says to upload a photo of your artwork taken using either your Chromebook or laptop's camera or a phone. First, click Submit Assignment in the blue rectangle at the top right of the page. When you click this, at the bottom, File Upload pops up. So, if you haven't taken a picture yet, it says to take a photo using your camera app, found on Chromebooks by clicking the magnifying glass key and typing camera. You can click this little icon and your camera pops up. Hello. So, hopefully your artwork won't have a bunch of crazy lights in the background. But once you've found a great place to take a photo of your artwork where the colors are easy to see and all that, you're going to make sure that you can see all parts of your work. And for this pop-up in particular, the bottom and the back, all colored and with your pop-ups. You'll hold it so I can see everything and click the button for photo. Once that's taken, you can close the window. Next, it says under Choose File, choose the photo you took. So I go down to Choose File, click, and I pick my picture. Scroll down, and next you're just going to submit your assignment. Once it's submitted, you'll get this fantastic confetti, and that's how you know that your work has been done. Now, if you realize that you've put the wrong assignment, or if I respond saying that you need to add something, you can click Resubmit Assignment and then just add a new photo. Enjoy!